In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your Discord password if you've forgotten it on mobile. So by default, if you've got your Discord account open and you're on the app, if you go to the profile icon in the bottom right hand corner, then go settings, then go account, you can then click on password. You can reset your password here by entering in the current password and a new password. But if you've forgotten it and you don't know your current password, then don't fret. Now, don't log out because that's going to mess things up for you. But what I would do is go back and just go to the account section from settings and remember here what email you've got added. So mine is bradleyharrisonvideo@gmail.com. Now you can also go to phone and add a phone number as well, and that's going to give you an extra layer of security if anything was to go wrong. But with this email remembered, we should be able to reset it. So go off the Discord app and open up a web browser. Here we are on Chrome. I'm just going to now search for Discord, and then we can go to discord.com on the web browser. Now, once you're here, what you need to do is go ahead and try and log in. So go to the three lines in the top right, and we need to kind of log in here. So we don't want to download the app. We actually just want to log in. But on the mobile app, it's not going to let us log in for whatever reason. So what we need to do, if we're on Google Chrome, is click on the three dots in the bottom right-hand corner. Then you want to request the desktop site. And we need to get now to the desktop version of Discord. So if you do another search for Discord and then try and click on one of these, so we'll click on discord.com. We really need to get to the desktop version. So I'll type here Discord login. So after searching Discord login and I'm on the desktop site, right, I'm going to go here and click Discord servers. You might be able to get to it a different way, but if you click Discord servers and you're on the desktop site, here we now should be able to click login in the top right. And this is exactly what we're looking for. Here we go. So this is what we're looking for. Now we can click forgotten your password. First enter in the email that was on your account. So remember that email from before. So now we can click forgot your password, and then they're going to send you an email here. So there it is, password request. So we can click on that. We can click reset password, Chrome, and there we go. Just like that, we can now enter in a new password and change the password, and we can essentially reset it. So I hope that was helpful. Let me know in the comments if it was.